Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to see some more example for Lambda expression. So I'm just going to create a new class. Now I'm going to create one interface. Interface name I have given A. And my interface has only one method of return type void. Now I'm creating a class B, that is also having one method that accepts object of type A. Now method B is going to call the method of interface A. Now inside my main method I am going to create object of B class. I am calling the method on that object. Now I have to pass and override the method of A. So I am using fundamental of anonymous class over here. So just make sure that you have watched that video. Now I have to override the method A method over here, and inside that, so you can see inside method B is first printed, then the method A method is called and the overridden logic is over here. So this statement is printed. Now let's say I want to write lambda expression over here. So I'm just removing this. For all the code I just wanted to print system.out.println. And let's again run this. So you can see again it is giving me the same output. Now here I have written only one statement inside method A. Now let's say I want to execute more than one statement in the method, in the overridden method of A. So that is also possible. I am directly passing lambda expression over here. So what is the syntax to pass more than one block of code is that you have to write this parenthesis, and so in previous examples we had seen only to execute a simple statement in lambda expression, but you can see it is also possible to execute more than one statement as a lambda expression. What you have to do is you can pass whatever the variable you wanted to pass, then the symbol for lambda expression, and then you can write all the code inside the brackets, so that will be considered as a block of code for the lambda expression. Now let's say what if my method is having some return type. Instead of void, let's say I have integer over here, and I wanted to print that returned value. So I have done changes over here. Now you can see it is giving me error. Why? Because I have not returned the value from here, so I have to return the value from here. Let's say I am returning value 8. So now it is not giving me any error. Now let's say I want to return a value and I wanted to execute some code as well. So the execution of code is over here. Now I want to return some value. So let's say return 7. Save and run. So you can see the first is inside method B with argument 8. Why? Because we have returned value 8 from here. That's why it is printing 8 over here. Then inside block A block 1, inside A block 2, and then inside method B with value 7, because we are returning 7 from here. So you can see the overridden method is returning value from here and it is printed over here. Now let's say what if my method can have argument with return type. I am giving argument integer A. So whenever calling that method, I have to give some value over here. Let's say I'm giving value 10. Now as I'm accepting some value, let's say I'm accepting value A, and for all the values of A I just don't want to do anything, then it's fine. But what I want to do is I want to return 8 plus value of A. And for the same case, so you can see inside method B, first it is printing me value 18. Why? Because 8 is over here and 10 is over here. 10 is passed as argument, so it is accepting in variable A, and then it is returning 8 plus A, so that will be 18 over here. So you can see first 18 is printed, then these two statements are simply printed, then again it is accepting this value in A, that is 10, and then we are returning 7 plus A, that means we are returning 17. So 17 is printed, coming over here, and that is printed. So in this way you can create a lambda expression with a method that can have a return type, a method that can have argument, a method or a lambda expression that can have more than one block of code to execute. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.